Hey, how you doing? This is Gio Gionta, and this is video 28 of the Facebook Page Engagement Challenge. I want to welcome you to this video, and I'm very excited because I started this challenge actually to grow my Facebook page, and I decided that because I'm trying to overcome a speech issue that I've been working on since I was younger, since I've been trying to overcome it, I need to get on video more. So to do that and overcome something that was a challenge for me, I got to do more video. So that's what I decided to do with this challenge. Is I'm building my Facebook page right now. So it's a Facebook Page Engagement Challenge, and I decided to use video at the same time to share my results with you guys watching the video. And is what it's going to do actually is build my Facebook page and my YouTube page simultaneously. So I just wanted to go over these results with you. This is day 28, which is very amazing. I've been very consistent with this process, and I highly recommend this challenge for anybody who's trying to build their Facebook and their YouTube, or maybe they have a fear of video. So they should definitely do this challenge to get over that fear and to be able to do video on a consistent basis if they have that as a challenge that is getting in their way of their success. You just do more video, and that's why I'm doing this challenge. But I wanted to share these results. So basically, we looked at this post yesterday, and I'm shooting this video again, by the way, because it deleted. So I'm updating the video and shooting it again because I didn't get a chance to save it, and I had to redo it. So basically, this post was from yesterday, and the third, and it has 90 or 57, 58, 59 likes, loves, and 13 comments. So and they're being pretty consistent with everything. And then this was a post that I did, and that has 39, 40, 41 likes, loves, and surprises, and 23 comments. And then I did a live. It's very important to get your face out there on camera so people know exactly who you are, because people aren't going to buy from people that they don't know. And if you hide behind your camera, then you can't expect people to like you and to get to know you because you're hiding behind your camera. So I told myself I have to do more leadership activities, which means putting my face out there. So I started doing these lives. And this was my first live that I've done in a while. And I'm just using my phone to do this. It's nothing special, no special, nothing. It's just using my phone. And it's not a special, not a special camera or anything like that. I'm just doing the live, putting out the content, and putting out the value for people. So basically, in this video, I got 24 likes, loves, and surprises, 49 comments, 3 shares, and it was viewed by 394 people. So 394 people actually seen this live video. So it's very amazing. So now I'm growing myself as a leader. I'm growing and getting over my fear on video, and I'm growing myself to get better at it, to get better at the skill that I need to get better at. And as you can see, my Facebook followers, they are, they're going up. They're going up pretty slow right now, but they're still going up. I have 583 right now, and I posted this as well. It was somebody from our team that made $1,000 a day. So and that has 1, 2, 3. That has 3 people that had an interest in that. So if you have an interest in finding out how I'm using Facebook to build up my engagement, and how I'm using YouTube, and exactly how I'm building up these two platforms at the same time and able to make $1,000 a day in commissions. Just click on that link below this video. It's going to take you to a page that's going to ask you for your email. You're not going to get any follow-up emails. This is only so that we can keep in touch, and so that if you need anything, you can contact me. If I need anything, I can contact you. So, if you want to find out more about, building up your Facebook page, make sure you click on that link below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and talk to you soon.